Hello, my name is Tilak Mahajan. I have done my Salesforce admin and developer training from Victorious Digital in 2022 batch that was in December. My mentor was Rahul Kumar sir. He was very great in teaching and his experience was very vast in all the Salesforce domains. So the best thing that I liked regarding the Victorious Digital Salesforce Institute was the mentorship and the HR training that the mentor provided. So if we talk about the placement part of Victorious Digital, HR Pooja and Ashish sir are very helpful and they provide companies right from the start of the month to the end of the month. So right from providing the companies, right from giving the offer letters, HR Pooja has done an excellent job by giving us a great HR training. And so I would love all to join Victorious Digital and all the best for your future endeavors. Have a great day.